I'm Colin Singer, immigration lawyer and managing partner of Immigration.ca. Canada Immigration News Articles, January 2015. Couples in Limbo demand audit of Spousal sponsorship program. Recently, processing times for the in-country, inland spousal sponsorship program have tripled, leading Canadians who are caught up in the backlog to demand an audit of the troubled program. Thousands of Canadians are now having to wait more than 2 years to acquire Canadian permanent residence for their foreign spouses already living in Canada. This means that living in limbo for the foreign partner and not being allowed to take up employment or receive health care coverage. According to a national online group called Canada Inland Spousal Sponsorship Petitioners, CIC Canada must immediately establish service delivery standards as recommended by the Office of the Auditor General in a scathing report in 2010. Canadians have the option to sponsor a foreign partner either from abroad or within Canada, with many preferring to do it from inside Canada so as to avoid having to become separated during the processing. A spousal sponsorship is a two-stage process. The sponsor has to be assessed and approved before the foreign spouse can be screened for medical clearance, security background checks, and other verifications. Currently, inland applications take 17 months for Stage 1 and 8 months to conclude at Stage 2. Although Ottawa launched a pilot program just before Christmas to issue work permits to some of these foreign spouses who are in the queue for Stage 1, the lobbying group complains its members are actually treated worse than foreign workers and international students whose spouses can get their work permits and health coverage much faster. It is not known how many couples are caught up in the inland sponsorship background, but over 8,000 new in-Canada applications are processed annually. The wait times began increasing rapidly in February 2014 when CIC moved processing of the inland spousal cases from its centre in Vegreville, Alberta, to Mississauga, Ontario. It became much worse after August 2014, when officials introduced a new application form and decided to mail back some of the applications to applicants, even if they had been submitted before the form change. The Conservative government has blamed the previous Liberal government from 2005 and beforehand for creating the backlog. As foreigners, it is not your place in society to protest, but we all have reasonable expectations from this government, says Irish citizen Ronan McDermott. The government owes us an answer why it takes 25 months to render a decision on our applications. Over 540 couples have signed the Inland Sponsorship Group's online petition. The group hopes to submit the petition to the Office of the Auditor General shortly. Source: The Star.